Hello! So, what are we doing today?
It is pretty evident because of the thumbnail.
We are reviewing the Prime drink. So, Naman, do you want to tell all of us what Prime brand is all about?
A very expensive hydration drink that took the internet by storm when they launched. Logan Paul and KSI they launched this product, and it took the internet by storm.
Their boxing match turned rivalry into bromance, and they launched a drink, and there was an instant fan buy-in. They took advantage of everything, and that's how they created this entire FOMO fueled distribution strategy. A little backstory there. I didn't know anything about Prime at all, and like long time back, 2 years back, we were at some supermart.
Yeah, and it was very expensive that time, around 1200 INR. Luckily, we got both of these in just 400 rupees. So it was basically a buy one get one offer. So I really wanted to try this, and the flavor strawberry watermelon was also very exciting. I really wanted to try ice pop because of the packaging primarily and the name.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do. Let's start.
Let's start.
It's really bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Smell like a cough syrup.
Oh, this is also very bad.
Huh? Oh,
Not smelling nice. Could you pass
similar.
the glass? It's cold. Yeah. We'll try that first because I want to try it forever.
Let's try this.
It tastes good. It tastes
Huh?
better than it
Okay.
melts. It's nice.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's very nice. It is very. You try. First. It's like a toffee candy. M&M. These Skittles. If you've ever tried Skittles, it tastes like Skittles.
Skittles. What is Skittle?
Marble hai ki marble.
Huh.
Marble toffee that used to come. Skittles.
Skittle.
Huh.
Okay.
How do you like it?
The taste is nice.
Yes.
There's a flavor to it which is not very different from what we used to have, and this is basically being imported from there.
Yeah,
But the
10%.
taste,
So in ingredients list, we have 10% of coconut water. So you can actually taste the coconut water. Is that the same here? Yeah,
Yeah, it's the
10%. Let's
Yeah.
try this now.
this is the pink one.
Yeah,
Is it?
pink. See?
There is a light, if you can see the difference between the two. This one has a little tint of pink versus this one.
Let's try now.
Yeah, let's try this one. Strawberry. This is strawberry watermelon. Let me also try it. No artificial flavoring at all. I don't like this at all.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I don't. It is supposed to be strawberry watermelon. I don't really taste a lot of watermelon or strawberry. So, for example, if it says no artificial flavorings, but it tastes very artificial.
It doesn't taste like strawberry watermelonish
Absolutely.
at all. I don't know the flavor of what ice pop should feel like. Actually, they have written what ice pop means. It's cherry lime,
Oh.
blue raspberry flavored drink with sweetener.
It tastes very much like cherry. Blue
Cherry.
raspberry, yeah.
There's lime.
There's a lot of cherry that I taste here. They're nice. This is Skittles. Oh, cherry wala Skittles I remember. But the taste profile is very plain. It's very bland. It does not have a lot of flavors. When I see a packaging like this or like that, there's a lot of color. So what I associate this with is that there is going to be a lot of flavors in it. Flavors involved.
Yeah.
But that's not the case. Alright, now let's quickly rate these. Alright,
Rate on what? What terms?
rate on.
What matrix?
It's at the matrix to be 0, -1, and 1. So 0 is it meets your expectations, what you expected from the product.
Okay, zero is that.
0 is that.
Okay.
So basically 0 is
Yeah. It's like neutral.
neutral. And -1 is does not meet your expectations. 1 is that it exceeds your expectations.
Oh.
So we'll start with this one.
Oh,
You take a sip just before you rate.
again. Again, this cough syrup. नहीं भाई मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये.
This tastes very synthetic. That's the problem. And doesn't taste like strawberry watermelon.
Minus.
-1 perhaps. -1 is as well for me.
Yep.
Yeah, surely 0.
It meets your expectation to me.
It meets my expectation because I haven't heard great things about it in terms of the flavors it has.
For me, it's 0 because I was having some kind of expectation and it's fine based on this, but overall, I don't like it at all. It's like 0, -1 for me because I don't enjoy these drinks at all.
So wait, correct. So one is that I would again want to try it, but I would not.
Yeah.
At least at this price point, I would never want to try it.
Yeah, 200 rupee for this, 200 for this.
So technically, 399. So
Technically 400 for this. We got lucky, yeah.
Now I have one idea. Let's mix them.
Huh? You do this. I'm not going to drink that all.
It's better now.
Huh?
No.
No, it's not.
No, but so the ice pop masks the flavor of strawberry bottom. Yeah, it tastes more like ice pop now.
You seem like that elite person who knows everything about it and would like to just try out new things because it's cool. But I'm not that. But do you want to try out their energy drink now that you have tried their hydration drink? Because energy drink is much more expensive than this
No,
one.
I don't want to try. No, I don't want to try. I just want to try these flavors. But what I really like about them, the brand, is the bold personality that they have.
Definitely.
And the fun element that they have, the colors they have. For example, ice pop so suits the bottle and the flavors so much, no?
Yeah.
Ice pop.
Yeah. Definitely.
Nice.
This is the fastest selling beverage of all time. And of course, we have established that people are not buying it because of its great taste. People are buying it because of the
belongingness and maybe the community that they want to try it out or they want to support that community.
Definitely. In India, I don't think we have that community of Prime at all. People are trying it
People are trying it because of the popularity it has gained.
popularity.
I also wanted to try because of the popularity it has gained.
Yeah.
And definitely the packaging.
Yeah.
Definitely the packaging.
Yeah, I didn't know about it at all. I got to know about it from him. And it was like good experiencing it. I wouldn't buy it again.
Neither would I.
Yep.
Cool. Alright, so that's a wrap, I think.
That's a wrap. This is a Prime ice pop flavor.
It's the strawberry watermelon flavor.
And both are okayish.
Yeah. If you want to try this one out. It's a good one-time experience.
या फिर ये सिर्फ अमीरों के चोचले. Okay, so that's a wrap up. We'll see you in the
Next one.
next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.